Hello, guys. Today we are going to discuss some important questions of second chapter, that is acid, bases and salt. I hope you will understand. So let's start. So in this chapter we will discuss some questions, important questions. First question is, some fruits like mango, lemon, raw grapes, oranges, etc. have a sour taste due to the presence of. So, so dear students, in these all foods, the in sour foods, I will say, in sour foods like mango, lemon, raw grapes, oranges, there is citric acid is present. Okay, because of citric acid, the taste will become sour. Okay, so the answer is the answer is B, that is citric acid. Okay, so the next question is, zinc granules on treating with an acid X. So see it carefully. Zinc granules on treating with an acid X form the zinc sulphate, that is ZnSO4 salt, along with the evolution of a gas Y, which burns with a pop sound when brought near to the burning candle. Identify the acid X and gas evolved Y. So in these questions we are discussing in this acid, bases and salts video, I am explaining, describe clearly, that is in this experiment the hydrogen gas is evolved. So in this figure we are see clearly, in this test tube we will put the diluted sulfuric acid and some zinc granules are put in the test tube. So the hydrogen gas will evolve. So we will clarify with the burning candle, and this burning candle will become pop sound, burning hydrogen gas with a pop sound. Okay, so that is the these all experiment. Okay, so in this question we will see, so the X acid, so the product X and Y, both are, we will write it on this equation. Okay, so then we take some equation, that is Zn plus H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Okay, the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, and by which the product is ZnSO4 plus H2, that is H2 gases evolved. So in this reaction they are questioning the zinc, and the second one is this product is S, and in the reaction this product is formed ZnSO4, and what is the byproduct? Y. Okay, so the in the X position there is H2SO4, and in Y position, that is H2 gases evolved. Okay, so the answer is C, that is sulfuric acid, and Y is hydrogen gas. Okay, that's clear. Then third question is, the figure given below represents the experiment carried out between concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride, which react with each other to form HCl gas. So blue litmus paper is brought near the mouth of the delivery tube to check the presence of HCl acid, but no changes is observed in the color of litmus paper, because so in this experiment we will clearly explaining in last video, that is the when your litmus paper becomes wet or wet, so the color will not change. Okay, so we'll clearly observe the litmus paper is very dry, so we will find the result. If your litmus paper becomes wet, so you will not change the color, the litmus paper will not change the color, and your result is not clarified by the litmus paper. Okay, so one thing is your litmus paper is used to is dry. लिटमस पेपर जब भी आप यूज़ करें वो ड्राई ही यूज़ करें. ओके, दैट इज़ द रीज़न. सो द आंसर of this question is A. The litmus paper used is dry. Okay, then next is which of the following phenomena occurs when a small amount of acid is added to water. Okay, so the small phenomena I'm discussing in the last video. If you have remember, so in the last video I am discussing some dilution, concentration, concentrated solution and diluted solution. So if you have some knowledge about that, so you will understand the ionization process and dilution process both are giving in the both are the phenomena. Okay, for both phenomena occurs when the small amount of acid is added to the water. So the answer is become ionization and the dilution. So the answer is B, first and third. So okay, ionization and dilution are occurs. Then the next is which of the following indicator turns red in an acidic solution? Phenolphthalein, litmus, turmeric, methyl orange. So first thing we will observe, the litmus paper becomes red, okay, and the methyl orange, the one product is that is orange color, and they will becomes red color, changes the red color, indicates the red color, okay, and they will indicate. So the answer becomes D, that is second, means litmus and methyl orange. Answer is D, second and fourth. Next is dilute acid does not produce carbon dioxide on being treated with. So the dilute acid does not produce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide does not produce in dilute acid. Okay, so treated with which elements we will treat? So the answer is very easy, it's lime. Okay. Next question is the sample of soil from the particular place was tested for its pH value. It came out to be 5. Which one of the following should be added to the soil to make it suitable for the plant growth? So मैं इसको आपको क्लियरली समझा देती हूँ हिंदी में भी. जो जिस स्टूडेंट समझ नहीं पाते हैं उनको भी मैं क्लियरली समझा देती हूँ कि हमने एक सॉइल का सैंपल लिया, ठीक है, कहीं से पर्टिकुलर प्लेस से सॉइल का सैंपल लिया. इट बिकम्स आउट टू बी 5. हमने चेक किया उसका पीएच निकला क्या 5. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शुड बी एडेड टू द सॉइल टू मेक इट सुटेबल फॉर द प्लांट ग्रोथ. सो हम इसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे जिससे कि प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए जो वो सुटेबल होगा. सो two products are there, that is calcium hydroxide and calcium oxide. To the both product are added to become the soil fertile or plant growth, suitable for plant growth. Okay, so the answer is B, that is second and third, that is calcium hydroxide and oxide. The next question is identify the product of the following reaction. There is one reaction is there in front of you, then CaCO3 plus 2HCl will give. So they will give, if you know the reaction, अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो पढ़े होंगे केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन, सो वी विल बहुत ही ईजिली आप इसको बना सकते हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन को. सो CaCO3 plus 2HCl will give calcium chloride, means CaCl2 plus what will they give? CO2 plus H2O. Okay, these three products are formed by this reaction: calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so the answer is D, calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Then next question is 9. An ant sting can be treated with which with blank, okay, which will neutralize the effect of chemical injected by the ant sting into our body. Choose the correct option from the following to be filled in the blank space. Okay, so when I'm discussing in the last video, when the ant is sting on your skin, so we will applying the baking soda. Okay, baking soda is normalize your skin and it is not harmful. Okay, so the answer is C, baking soda. Next one is, in the following reaction, identify the salt formed. In this reaction, NH4OH plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid will give the product, that is NH4 whole twice SO4. Okay, so the answer is B. Next is, which of the following salt will give acidic solution when dissolved in water? So when we dissolve, the salt will give acidic solution when dissolved in water. So the answer is NH4Cl. Okay, the answer is NH4Cl, that is A. Then next is, bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant for water to make water tastier, remove all the dirt from water, make water germ free, make water clear. You all know the bleaching powder is used to make water germ free. Okay, so the answer is C. Next, which among the following represents the chemical formula for plaster of Paris? In these four options, what is the chemical formula of plaster of Paris? If you know, and you will read in the chapter acid, bases and salt, so will you will clearly give. That is it is very important question, so please this reaction, or for the reaction of plaster of Paris formation from the gypsum, so you will learn it clearly, properly, because this is very important question. Okay, so the correct answer of this is CaSO4, CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Okay, B is the correct answer. Okay, next is, which one of the following salt will dissolve in water to form an alkaline solution? So the answer is potassium carbonate. Answer is potassium carbonate, that is A. Okay, the next is, copper sulfate crystal when heated strongly lose their water of crystallization to give anhydrous copper sulfate accompanied by a change in color from. So we all know copper sulfate is blue color, and it will when heated with the water, so it will lose their water of crystals to give anhydrous copper sulfate accompanied by the change in color from blue to white. So the answer is B, blue to white. Okay, so that is all questions. I'm giving you some or and another questions after some time, when you are learning and discussing your all this chapter clearly. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you all understand these questions. I will always i will always help you when you need me. I will definitely come to guide you. Okay, for any topic you want to understand, I must be ready, even if it is 12th or 10th or any other classes of the science subject. I'm always available for all students. Okay, so don't worry, I am there always. You will continue to get support on the Instagram too. You can talk me and discuss any questions on the Instagram. If you have any doubts, so please ask the questions, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, right now the COVID-19 is growing very fast, so be careful. All of you stay at home and safe and stay healthy. Okay, My Insta ID is shown in the description box. Follow me on the Instagram. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so I will give you very lots of knowledge.